Hi, you're watching
Johnny Get With It.
Today I want to break down a version of Johnny Winter's Meantown Blues. He's played it multiple different ways in different recordings, so I'm going to give you a general idea of the tune. Also going to break down the solo with a bit of slide playing as well, and just to give you a basic idea of how he approaches it. So let's get started. Okay, welcome back. We're going to start with an open G tuning. So that's tuned down to a D, G, D, another D. Then I'm going to take my capo, put it on the 2nd fret. In the opening line, 3rd fret. So 3, 4, and then thumb pick on 5, and then these 2 fingers on 3 and 4. And then on 5th, 3rd fret. Okay, and then, so 3rd fret on string 1 and 2. So with that, I'm using my 2 fingers, or a pick. And then, so, slide into the 3rd fret, and then so with a pick, and then so open, 3rd string, and then 5th fret, pull off, and then 3rd string, 3rd fret, so slide to 5 on the 4th, and then let the 3rd ring. So 5. Okay, so this part, I'm going to start on the 4th string, 3rd fret, with 3 strings, down to 2, then 3rd fret, 5th string, little bend, and then to the 6th string, 3rd fret, so at this part, I'm doing some strumming. You don't have to do that. I've seen them just go. And back to the main run. Okay, where the band stops and he's just playing and singing by himself. 3rd string, 3rd fret. A little bend. 5th fret, 4th string. Okay, now he gets to the improvised solo. Now I have to stress the word improvise because he plays it different on every tune. So 3rd fret, and then slide down on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. And then this one. So that's pretty much the opening line to his improvisation. The rest, I would just suggest learning the open pentatonic scale. And then blues note. And then some double stops with an open 3rd string. So those are triplets. So pick. On the 12th fret, 12, 11 on 4, and then open 3rd. And he also plays this triplet. Okay, about halfway through the solo, he puts a slide on. I'm going to attempt to do it on this guitar. The action's really low. It's not really set up for slide. I'm going to try not to fret out too much. So he's using the same pentatonic. type of stuff. So that's more triplets and 2 string. So it's just on 3 strings. And then here's another run. Maybe not exactly what he does, but a kind of a standard slide run. So that's first 2 strings, more triplets. So second string to third. And then to the 4th string. And then use your pointer. And then I slide down. To the third fret, 3rd string. So and then just some general chords. So I'm going to leave it at that for slide playing. After that, he just gets back into the main run, and then they finish out the tune. Well, you made it this far. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.